Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Nail Instruction Cards is probably one of the most convenient and user-friendly ways to achieve salon-quality manicures at home, offering a clear, step-by-step guide that eliminates the guesswork often associated with applying press-on nails, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting wear every single time. Number 5. MODELONES Builder Nail Gel. Discover the revolutionary 7-in-1 Clear Builder Gel from MODELONES. It's your all-in-one solution for creating stunning nails. This versatile formula acts as a base coat, strengthener, thickener, and extension gel. It's perfect for adding strength and length to your natural nails. Achieve a salon-quality finish with its easy LED curing. Get durable, beautiful nails in minutes. Not only does it build and strengthen, but it also doubles as a powerful rhinestone glue. Secure your embellishments with confidence. Transform your nails at home with this convenient bottle. Enjoy professional results without the salon visit. This gel is designed to strengthen and thicken your nails, allowing for beautiful extensions. Achieve the nail length you've always desired. What we like? This is a versatile builder gel that can be used for strengthening, thickening, and extending nails. If you're looking to add length and strength to your natural nails or create intricate nail art with rhinestones, this product is a great choice for a DIY salon experience. What people say. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The cards are well organized and cover all the necessary steps for applying press-on nails. The design of the cards is visually appealing and makes the instructions even more engaging. Number 4. Pink Lint-free nail wipes with storage case. Discover the ultimate solution for a flawless finish. These pink nail wipes are designed to be completely lint-free, ensuring a clean application every time. Experience superior absorbency with these soft, non-woven pads. They are perfect for removing nail polish and other beauty applications with ease. With 1,050 pieces in each pack, you'll have plenty for all your needs. This generous supply ensures you're always prepared. Keep your wipes organized and protected with the included storage case. It's designed for easy access and portability. These are essential for nail polish removal and perfect for lash extension application. Elevate your nail care routine with these professional-grade supplies. Say goodbye to frustrating lint and hello to a pristine look. These wipes are a must-have for anyone seeking professional results at home. What we like? These nail wipes are designed to be completely lint-free, ensuring a clean application and removal process. If you need highly absorbent pads for nail polish removal or precise application during lash extensions, these are perfect for maintaining a professional finish. What people say. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The cards are well organized and cover all the necessary steps for applying press-on nails. The designs are beautiful and the quality of the cards is excellent. Number 3. SAVILAND Press-on Nail Packaging Kit. Introducing the SAVILAND Press-on Nail Packaging Kit, your complete solution for flawless nail application and salon-quality packaging. This kit has everything you need. Designed for convenience, this kit is mini and portable, making it easy to carry anywhere. It meets all your needs for applying press-on nails without bulky tools, perfect for travel. Experience an upgraded, high-technology formula for a sticky, thin, and durable application. Our products are healthy, safe, and non-toxic, ensuring no harm to your natural nails. Our specially formulated nail glue dries instantly, offering a quick and easy alternative to gels. The premium nail files ensure smooth and fast shaping for long-lasting nail art. Included acrylic sticks help clean your nail surface, while the portable bags allow you to organize tools or create personalized gifts. You can quickly apply nails and feel confident anywhere. This kit is tailored to make wearing nail tips easier than ever. Achieve quick and simple operation and effortless replacement of your nail art designs. What we like? This kit provides everything you need for a flawless press-on nail application, including glue, adhesive tabs, and prep tools. If you're always on the go or want a professional salon look without the hassle, this portable kit ensures your press-on stay put anytime, anywhere. What people say. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the application process simple even for beginners. The cards are durable and well-made, ensuring they can be reused multiple times. The designs are beautiful and trendy, offering a wide variety of options to suit different styles. Number 2. Holographic Press-On Nail Application Cards. Learn how to easily apply your press-on nails at home with these simple instructions. They are designed to be added to your DIY nail kit for convenience. These cards are printed on premium, thick matte cardstock, ensuring durability. They are business cards sized for easy handling and storage. Featuring a unique, non-reflective matte holographic look design with eye-catching icons. This adds a special touch to your nail application experience. Ideal for inclusion in your press-on nail packages, aftercare kits, or display with your organizers. They enhance the presentation of your nail products. We love seeing how you use these cards. Please share photos of your beautiful nail kits and displays in your feedback. Each card measures 3.5 by 2 inches, making them a perfect fit for any nail kit or packaging. Application is straightforward and quick. What we like? These instruction cards feature a unique holographic look design that adds a touch of flair to your press-on nail packages. If you want to impress your customers with stylish and informative application guides that stand out, these cards are ideal for DIY kits and aftercare instructions. What people say. The cards are a great size and easy to read. These instruction cards are very helpful for beginners. Number 1. Boutique Marketing LLC Press-On Nail Instructions. Achieve salon-quality press-on nails right in your own home. These cards provide simple, step-by-step instructions for a perfect DIY application. Our cards are printed on thick, 14 points matte cardstock for a professional feel. They are designed to be durable and easy to read. The chic black and pink design not only looks great but also complements the instructions. It's a stylish addition to any nail kit. These cards are ideal for inclusion in your aftercare kits, beginning kits, or display with your organizers. They help your clients feel informed and cared for. With over 5 years of experience serving beauty professionals, these cards are designed with insights from technicians to enhance your brand's professionalism. Impress your clients and build your brand with these high-quality, informative cards. They are a small touch that makes a big difference. What we like? Designed with a professional black and pink theme, these cards offer clear, step-by-step instructions for applying press-on nails at home. If you're looking to enhance your brand's professional image and provide easy-to-follow guides for your DIY nail kits, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The cards are well organized and cover all the necessary steps for applying press-on nails. The designs are beautiful and the quality of the cards is excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.